trying to get this camera focus. Light, look at the light, look at that, look at that, look at the light. You can see what I'm doing here. Mad things going on. Stripped out all the seats and everything. I don't even know if you can hear me. But anyway, stripped out all the seats and everything. Back seat, front seats, steering wheel's gone. Everything's got sold, like I said. I'm putting in the center armrest, taking out the center console. See how it goes. See how easy it is. If it's too awkward and that, because I was planning on wrapping the levers in some yellow or black and yellow cloth, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen, man. The cloth that came isn't too great. But anyway, I'm just giving you updates what's going on. Gonna quickly do this. It's cold as hell out here. I hate the cold. Anyway, stay tuned. So this is what we got. This is what we're dealing with. This is the stage. This is the stage where we're at. Anyway, so this right here is a rear strut. It's a rear strut brace that goes across the behind the back seats of the 180s. Not just the 180s, but the VAG's front wheel drives. So this is for the front wheel drive one. They do the ones for the R32, but the price wise sky high and they don't even look that good. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing with this. So I've dummy fitted this already, and I noticed that this is not for the R32. So what's gonna have to happen is these are gonna have to get extended. So I'm gonna have to cut this off and add another 60 mil on the end, and then drill some holes and put the nutserts in. So then this is just another job in itself. There, the bottom part's fine, so I'm gonna leave that as it is, and then Bob's your uncle. Then what I'm gonna do is this is gonna get sent off to get sprayed yellow, because inside of the car is gonna be yellow and black. Anyway, it's gonna be boom. Anyway, who's that said they didn't like the black and the yellow? I can't remember who it was, but that person knows who they are. Anyway, so yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if you can hear my nose and that. I'm a bit bunged up. Outside's cold. I've been running around with no top on. You know how I do. Stay tuned. Right, so all cut and all straight, so cut real straight. And now the next step is to cut the bar that I've got, which will be 60 centimeters. So yeah, you know, guys, bear out with me, man. I'm sick, so anyway. So I need 6 centimeters or 60 mil, whichever one. Same thing. Boom. Managed to get the bar welded up today. Clean it up and that. Looks okay. Next steps. So, I sanded it down. Boom. Just to mark the paint. I'm gonna primer the bare metal parts. Spray this baby yellow. So here we got the OMP subframe bracket, which this allows you to sit the bucket seat on the seat, and then from the seat to the car. So this is for the Mark IV Golf. The Mark IV Golfs are more or less all the same fitting. This is the subframe bracket. These are the sliders, got one on each side. One on each side. You're gonna bolt those down with a M8 bolt, 25 mil M8 bolts. So that's four bolts, 2 bolts each bracket, each slider. Here's one I done earlier on. It's got the bracket and the slider, the subframe bracket and the slider together. So this here is gonna bolt onto my seat, and then my seat is gonna bolt into the car. Stay tuned. it out. So anyway, we're back again. This time with the RTS limited edition bucket seats. These ones here, boom. Similar to, very similar to the last video I done with the, what are they called? Oh fuck, I forgot what they're called. Damn, I forgot what they're called.